possible to use your foil press in the Gemini machine. Now we all know that the foil press, or you may know that the foil press has been developed to work perfectly in our Gemini Junior machine at the right width for the mouth. However, we know that so many of you out there have, own and love your Gemini machine that we wanted to give you a way to be able to use your foil press plate in your Gemini. And I'm going to show you how easy that is with the simple addition of this fabulous little gadget, our extender plate for the Gemini machine. So, machine's already up to temperature, which is exactly what you would want. I've got my foiling die, and I know this one needs 15 seconds. So I'm going to put 15 seconds on my clock, and I'm going to hit start. "15 seconds is up, so foil goes on face down. Your piece of cardstock that you're going to foil on goes on top of that. At this point, remove your foil press plate from its connection. Take your extender plate, and what the extender plate does is wrap around the top of the foil press plate, as you can see here. So these two little legs come up at the same distance. It's really important that this piece here butts up against that little lip. That's very important, that it doesn't lift up and go over there when you're putting it through, because if you do that, you're putting too much thickness and pressure through the machine. It won't work as easily. So this has to butt up there, no further, so that it can't go any further. If I push it, it stops. These wrap around, and then you pick that up and pop it through your Gemini machine. Because we've extended it to the left and the right, that allows this now to activate the sensors in the Gemini machine. That has run through your Gemini in the same way as it would have done the Junior, but using that extender plate, and we have got our beautifully foiled little tree there that you can see. That is fabulous, isn't it? And that's how easy it is to use your extender plate along with your foil press and to pop it through your Gemini. Just to tell you again, the most important thing when you're popping that on, make sure it does not go beyond that point, that if you push it, it doesn't slide anywhere, and then when you pick it up and put it through, it'll work perfectly every time.